Hello, friends? During the last 2 weeks, the primary unmanned systems unit has kept up the pressure against military targets of the Horde in Crimea, demilitarizing in a single raid, a surveillance and early warning radar in a radio-transparent dome, a Costa 2E radar cellular antennas, an Orion unmanned aerial vehicle, and 2 Potliot radar stations, one in transit, one operating. He attacked a military freight train, and as a bonus, a frontline Sukhoi 24 Fencer bomber. That alone makes it a good day, but there's more. Flying a MiG-29K from Ivan the Pirate's Naval Aviation, based at Kacha Airfield. Where Mosquitoes also attacked an early warning radar station that, unfortunately for them, failed at its job. A Russian S-400 Triumph air defense system was installed at the base but failed to intercept the Ukrainian loitering munition that hit the MiG-29. Although active, the S-400 couldn't detect or engage the drone because of its low radar signature. This highlights these systems' vulnerability in real combat. These attacks on Crimea's radars force the invaders to bring in more units from other fronts, or else they'd be left blind here. That creates gaps in their coverage, which can be exploited by aviation. Hopefully they'll eventually have nothing left to bring, and that's when a different operation will start. On December 3, 2025, the 15th Black Forest Artillery Reconnaissance Brigade of Ukraine launched a successful Himars rocket attack on a Russian R-330ZH Zhitel electronic warfare truck in Luhansk region. This vehicle is a Russian mobile electronic warfare complex, relatively rare and expensive, mounted on a Kamaz truck chassis. The system is designed to detect, intercept, and suppress satellite, cellular, and radio signals. Its mission is to disrupt enemy command, control, reconnaissance, and unmanned systems by generating radio interference in the area. The complex can locate signal sources such as satellite communication terminals, mobile phone base stations, and drone control nodes. In good conditions, it can disrupt communications within about 30 kilometers. The system is valued at about $10 million. Ukrainian forces pointed out that the R-330ZH Zhitel is a high-value target. Since the large-scale Russian invasion, Ukraine has visually confirmed the destruction of only 23 such systems. Destroying this unit stopped Ivan's long-range jamming of satellite, cellular, and global positioning system signals within 20 kilometers. This invader was given one of the most dangerous orc missions, carrying fuel and ammunition on his back to the Horde's forward positions. And do you know why this mission is so dangerous? A Ukrainian Mosquito from the 414th Mayor Birds Brigade will show you. See what I mean? This video shows real footage of mutant Mosquito attacks by the Unmanned Aerial Systems Battalion of the 12th Azov Brigade National Guard in the Dobropilia sector of the Pokrovsk front. These Mosquitoes use TFL-1 artificial intelligence for autonomous guidance, enabling them to identify and track targets in flight, even if the radio link with the human operator is completely lost due to the electronic jamming countermeasures of the Horde. At least 4 Russian armored vehicles, including a multi-purpose tracked light armored vehicle, armored tractor, and a BMP personnel carrier, are directly hit while moving along a secondary road near the front. Accuracy remains high, even with clear enemy electronic warfare in the area. These smart Mosquitoes can maintain their trajectory and adjust course in the final phase when needed. Previously, this was nearly impossible in areas heavily targeted by Taurus electronic warfare units. Ukrainian sources say these artificial intelligence guided systems have increased the Mosquito's target hit rate from 20-30% to 80%, even under heavy interference. The TFL-1 is an artificial intelligence-based autonomous terminal guidance module. Developed by the Ukrainian company The Fourth Law, a defense technology startup based in Kyiv, with private funding from the United States and Canada. Each module costs just $75 and is used in over a dozen Ukrainian drones. The system uses convolutional neural networks, a type of artificial neural network inspired by the human visual system. This enables real-time visual recognition of targets like armored vehicles, troops, and equipment, allowing selection of the center for precise hits. Should someone tell Ivan that moving ammo near the front is dangerous, even if he uses Grandpa Vanya's Lada? The Ukrainian reconnaissance drones detected the movement and asked the artillery to send a welcoming committee 155 millimeters over the Horde's ammo depot in the Mordarite region of Belgorod. After the visit, you can see multiple secondary explosions, which confirms that the Horde was storing different types of ammunition in the facility. I wonder what happened to the orcs guarding the facility. At this stage of the War of Independence, it's good to see the 5th Assault Brigade's Mosquitoes still sending their remaining equipment to the Horde, to recycling always. Like this BMP one, which had a small engine problem that now became a major one. This Mosquito finds a camouflaged piece of artillery, so it faces a decision to bite the howitzer's barrel or the breech. The goal here is to deform or pierce a critical part to disable the piece. In this case, the breech was chosen. They'll definitely have to send it to the workshop for recycling. Another Mosquito quietly patrols an anti-tank ditch with barbed wire and discovers Ivan built a passage over it, but forgot to clear the defenders' anti-tank mines. So, well, he made them go into party mode. Finally, this Mosquito patrols an area where there is a pipeline. Knowing Ivan loves playing there, he decides to check it out. And wow, he finds that the tourists have set up a nest here too. I wonder if the heat signature in the nest is asleep. Well, now it's enjoying an eternal nap. To finish, FirePoint, a leading Ukrainian drone manufacturer, released a summary video showing the results of raids conducted with their systems against the Horde. Some we'd already seen in channel videos, but others were new. I'll leave it complete for you to enjoy. For those who want to see additional content, we invite you to subscribe to our Patreon, where for just $1 you'll have access to more content. Now then, do you think artificial intelligence-powered drones will dominate the battlefield next year? Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.